Welcome back to our channel, riders. Today we're diving into a list that's as exciting as your very first ride. The top 8 most beautiful street motorcycles for beginners. We've carefully selected 8 2025 models that aren't just beginner-friendly, they're absolutely stunning. Number 8. Yamaha YZF-R3. The 2025 Yamaha YZF-R3 remains a favorite among beginner riders who want a sport bike that looks fast, feels smooth, and handles with confidence. With its sleek full-fairing design, sharp body lines, and twin-eye LED headlights, the R3 channels the spirit of Yamaha's R-Series superbikes while staying approachable. It's powered by a 321cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine that produces around 42 horsepower, giving it enough power to make every ride exciting but not overwhelming. Its 6-speed transmission shifts cleanly, and the lightweight steel frame keeps the curb weight down to about 373 pounds, making it extremely manageable for new riders. The seat height of 30.7 inches is friendly for most, and ABS comes standard for safety. The 2025 model introduces fresh color schemes like Phantom Purple and Racing Blue, along with a slightly updated digital LCD instrument cluster. While it's not the most powerful in its class, the R3 delivers exceptional balance, looks fantastic, and handles well even in tighter city environments. It is best suited for younger or smaller riders who are just getting into the sport bike scene and want something with aggressive style and reliable performance. Tall riders or those wanting long-distance comfort might feel limited, but as an entry into the world of sport bikes, the R3 continues to offer one of the most beautiful and dependable experiences available. Number 7. Honda CB500F. The 2025 Honda CB500F is a striking entry-level street fighter that balances modern styling, ease of use, and Honda's legendary reliability. With its aggressive tank design, minimal bodywork, and full LED lighting, it gives off a premium naked bike vibe that's perfect for beginners who want both looks and comfort. The 471cc parallel twin engine delivers around 47 horsepower with smooth, linear power that's never intimidating, making it ideal for new riders transitioning into street riding. At just under 420 pounds and with a low center of gravity, it feels light on its feet, whether you're riding through city traffic or winding country roads. The 2025 model introduces a new TFT full-color display with smartphone connectivity, enhanced rider ergonomics, and revised body graphics that give it an edgier street presence. It also features dual-channel ABS and optional traction control, further enhancing safety for first-timers. The CB500F is best for riders who want a versatile, good-looking, and comfortable everyday motorcycle that doesn't sacrifice capability. It's not the flashiest or fastest, so adrenaline junkies might find it too tame, but for most beginners, especially commuters or casual weekend riders, it checks nearly every box. With excellent build quality and a reputation for low-cost maintenance, the CB500F is a long-term win in both function and form. Number 6. KTM Duke 390. The 2025 KTM Duke 390 is a wild, eye-catching option for beginners who crave edgy looks and sharp performance right from the start. Known as the Corner Rocket, this naked street fighter boasts aggressive angular styling, a steel trellis frame, and a redesigned LED headlight that screams attitude. At the heart of it is a 399cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine producing about 44 horsepower, which feels quick and responsive across urban and backroad riding. Weighing in at only 366 pounds, it's one of the lightest bikes in its class, making it extremely maneuverable. Great for new riders who want agility without being overwhelmed. For 2025, KTM has improved the suspension with WP Apex forks, refined throttle response, and added a larger 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity. The ride is engaging and lively, though the firm seat and stiff setup may not suit long-distance comfort. It's ideal for tech-savvy riders who want modern features and love a bike with real personality. However, it's less suited for taller or touring-focused beginners. The Duke 390 isn't just a looker, it's a serious performance machine in beginner clothing. And with KTM's racing DNA baked in, this model will stay relevant and fun even as your riding skills evolve. Number 5. Kawasaki Z400. The 2025 Kawasaki Z400 brings an aggressive street fighter look to the entry-level class. offering beginner riders a beautiful blend of sharp design and dependable performance. Inspired by Kawasaki's larger Z-Series bikes, the Z400 features Sugoi styling with an angular LED headlight, sculpted tank, and minimalist fairings that give it a mean, modern appearance. It's powered by a 399cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine producing around 497 horsepower, which is impressively responsive and forgiving. Perfect for riders who are still building confidence. At just 364 pounds, it's light and nimble, ideal for tight city corners or weekend rides in the countryside. The 2025 update brings in bold new color schemes, improved rider ergonomics, and a sleek digital display with Bluetooth connectivity. Dual-channel ABS comes standard, adding a critical layer of safety. The upright riding position offers comfort for daily use, though riders over 6 feet may feel slightly cramped on longer trips. It's best for beginners who want a sporty naked bike that is fast, agile, and visually striking without being intimidating. While it doesn't offer the flashy tech of more premium models, its balance of style, power, and user-friendliness keeps the Z400 high on the list of best beginner motorcycles, and it remains a great foundation for growing skills. Number 4. Royal Enfield Hunter 350. The 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 is a beautiful retro-modern street motorcycle that combines classic charm with beginner-friendly handling, making it one of the most visually appealing entry-level bikes available today. With its vintage-inspired round headlight, sculpted tank, twin rear shocks, and tasteful paintwork, the Hunter 350 brings a timeless aesthetic to urban streets. It is powered by a 349cc air and oil-cooled single-cylinder engine producing about 20 horsepower, which is modest but perfect for relaxed city riding and weekend cruising. Weighing around 400 pounds with a low seat height of 31 inches, it's approachable for shorter riders and those new to motorcycling. For 2025, Royal Enfield added improved suspension damping, new color options, and updated tripper navigation integration, enhancing both comfort and tech appeal. This bike is not built for high-speed thrills or long highway tours. It shines in slower, stylish, and stress-free urban settings. It's best suited for new riders who appreciate design and want to ease into motorcycling with a cool, laid-back attitude. The upright ergonomics and predictable throttle response make it super easy to ride. Royal Enfield's growing global presence and affordable pricing ensure that the Hunter 350 continues to gain momentum as one of the most unique and stylish beginner bikes on the market. Number 3. Husqvarna Svartpilen 401. The 2025 Husqvarna Svartpilen 401 is a standout in the beginner category, thanks to its bold, futuristic design and rugged urban style. With its matte black finish, spoked wheels, round LED headlight, and high-mounted exhaust, the Svartpilen 401 looks like nothing else in its class. It's powered by a 399cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, delivering around 44 horsepower, more than enough for beginners who want a fun and responsive ride without jumping into intimidating territory. Weighing just 366 pounds, it's nimble and easy to manage in city traffic or on twisty roads. The 2025 model brings a more comfortable seat, refined suspension tuning, and a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity. It's a great fit for style-conscious riders who want something different from the typical naked bike crowd. While taller riders might find it a little cramped and the price is slightly higher than average, you're getting premium build quality and a unique visual identity. It's best for confident beginners who want a bike that's as much a fashion statement as it is a commuter or weekend fun machine. Husqvarna's rising reputation globally makes the Svartpilen 401 a future-proof, head-turning choice in the entry-level market. Number 2. Triumph Speed 400. The 2025 Triumph Speed 400 is one of the most refined and beautiful beginner motorcycles on the market, combining British craftsmanship with real-world practicality. Its neo-retro styling features clean lines, premium finishes, bar-end mirrors, and a sculpted tank that gives it a premium feel far above its price point. At the core is a 398cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine that produces 40 horsepower and delivers incredibly smooth, responsive power throughout the rev range. Weighing around 394 pounds and paired with a low seat height of just over 31 inches, it's perfectly balanced for new riders looking for confidence and control. The 2025 model also features ride-by-wire throttle, a slipper clutch, and high-end Showa suspension, which add to its composed and plush ride quality. A digital analog display and LED lighting complete its modern meets classic package. While it's not ideal for very tall riders or those wanting aggressive track-style thrills, it excels in everyday use, light touring and city riding. This is a perfect fit for beginners who appreciate heritage and want a stylish, reliable, and easy-to-handle machine. Triumph's expanding global support and strong brand identity make the Speed 400 not only a beautiful first bike, but also a gateway into premium motorcycling. Number 1. Aprilia RS457. Topping the list at number 1 is the jaw-dropping 2025 Aprilia RS457, arguably the most beautiful and advanced street motorcycle for beginners right now. Aprilia has packed superbike DNA into a lightweight, beginner-friendly platform that looks like it belongs on a MotoGP track. With aerodynamic fairings, razor-sharp LED lighting, a sculpted tank, and a sleek tail section, this bike is pure visual excitement. Underneath, it houses a 457cc parallel twin engine, producing 47 horsepower, perfectly tuned to deliver smooth, linear power that is thrilling yet manageable for new riders. Weighing around 385 pounds and built on an aluminum twin-spar frame, the RS457 feels incredibly agile and stable through corners. It features modern electronics, such as a full-color TFT display, multiple ride modes, traction control, and even an optional quick-shifter, rare at this level. While it might be too sporty for extremely casual riders or those seeking upright comfort, it's ideal for ambitious beginners who want to start their journey with style and speed. With its blend of Italian design, premium feel, and cutting-edge features, the Aprilia RS457 sets a new standard for entry-level sport bikes and is easily one of the most future-ready beginner motorcycles available in 2025. Thanks for watching. Those were our picks for the most beautiful beginner street bikes of 2025. Let us know in the comments which one you'd ride first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more motorcycle content coming your way. Ride safe, and see you next time.